Encircling the globe along the equator, from South America through Africa and Southeast Asia, is the magnificent rainforest. Covering just 6% of the land surface of the planet, the rainforest contains more than half of all animals and plant species. Scientists believe that the Malaysian rainforest could have been in existence for as long as 140 million years. The amazing rainforest has still much to teach us, but has been steadily declining. 77% of Peninsular Malaysia was forested in the 1940s, but in 2002, almost half of that was gone. Temengor is a typical Malaysian rainforest that is facing an uncertain future. Covering almost 150,000 hectares, Temengor lies in the northern state of Perak. Together with the Belum Forest Reserve to the north, it forms Peninsular Malaysia's second largest remaining block of rainforest, almost 4 times the size of Singapore. When a dam was constructed for hydroelectric power in the 1970s, Temengor and Belum lost over 11,000 hectares of lowland forests. But this did not deter scientists from studying the area. Results confirm that the forest contains a high level of biodiversity. Biodiversity is a variety of plants and animals and other living things that are all around us. From the tiniest creatures living in the soil to giant trees. From algae in the rivers to endangered tigers. From bizarre creatures to extraordinary plants. Though far from being fully documented, species diversity in Temengor is remarkable. There are over 3,000 flowering plants, more than 270 birds, over 100 mammals, more than 165 species of butterflies, and over 24 species of amphibians. Trees dominate life in the jungle. There are between 3,000 to 5,000 species within a Malaysian rainforest. It is estimated that a 25-acre patch of forest here supports more types of trees than the whole of the United States. There are also tree species here that are endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else on Earth. It is the large trees which are most at risk. About a third are dipterocarps. They are prized timbers. Some trees can fetch up to 30,000 ringgit each. The harsh reality is Temengor is being logged. Loggers are moving into areas of pristine forests to extract timber of high commercial value. Removing mature trees has considerable impact on inhabitants of the rainforest. All life here is interlinked in a fragile web where each one is essential to maintain overall balance. Every 2 years, the planet is possibly losing one major drug. 25% of modern medicines are from tropical plants, but less than 10% have been screened for pharmaceutical applications. We are in danger of finding that just when the lid on nature's medicine chest is being opened, we have lost the contents. During the fruiting season, a rare spectacle has been observed in Temengor. Flocks of wreath and plain pouch hornbills of up to 2,400 birds in just one evening have been seen. These numbers are unprecedented anywhere in the world. They indicate that the whole area of Belum and Temengor, the biggest contiguous forest block in the northern peninsula, holds a massive hornbill population that behaves as a single unit. This is the only area in Malaysia where all 10 hornbill species can be seen. There is still much to learn about these hornbills, but as more and more commercial tree species are being felled, there will be fewer places for hornbills to roost or nest. Recent observations since logging has been active indicate a marked reduction in their numbers. People often view the rainforest only for short-term timber revenue, but the rainforest provides so much more. It plays a vital role in our environment as a key regulator of our climate. It acts as natural and essential chemical factories, producing 20 to 30% of the world's oxygen. Rainforests also function as a huge carbon sink, absorbing up to 5 tons of carbon per hectare per year. Temengor plays a critical part of the water cycle. The multi-canopied rainforest absorbs 40% of falling water, compared to 18% absorbed by the trees in a rubber plantation. The threats of Temengor are immediate and serious. It is clear that urgent measures are needed to protect this vanishing heritage. We have reached a turning point. Ignorance is no longer an excuse. As concerned Malaysians, we must make informed decisions about how much of the environment we wish to protect. Decisions we make now will have an impact for years to come.